As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about managing acid reflux and heartburn. This common issue can significantly impact your quality of life but is manageable with the right approach. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, often causing discomfort. Addressing this can make a big difference in your daily comfort and well-being. Let's explore steps you can take to improve your digestive health and enjoy a better quality of life in your golden years. Understanding your body is the first step to managing acid reflux. Imagine your digestive tract as a one-way highway. In some cases, the valve at the junction of the esophagus and stomach doesn't close properly, allowing stomach acid to travel back up. This backflow leads to the burning sensation known as heartburn. Knowing how this process works can empower you to make more informed decisions about your health. Respect your body's signals and learn to differentiate between occasional discomfort and chronic symptoms that may require attention. Recognizing the signs of acid reflux is crucial for timely intervention. Common symptoms include a burning sensation in your chest, a sour taste in your mouth, and difficulty swallowing. Some experience hoarseness or a persistent cough. It's important to listen to your body and note how often these symptoms occur. If you notice persistent or worsening symptoms, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider. Timely recognition can prevent complications and lead to effective management strategies for maintaining your comfort and health. Nutritional choices play a key role in managing acid reflux. Opt for meals that are lower in fat and avoid spicy foods, caffeine, and citrus fruits. Including more vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can also help. Eating smaller, more frequent meals is often beneficial. Consider cooking with less oil and using gentle cooking methods like steaming or boiling. Also, try not to lie down immediately after eating. These dietary adjustments can ease symptoms and support a healthier digestive system over time. Safe, effective movement is essential for managing acid reflux and promoting overall health. Engage in gentle activities such as walking, tai chi, or yoga. These exercises can help maintain a healthy weight and improve digestion. Remember to start slowly and listen to your body. If you experience discomfort, modify the activity to suit your needs. Regular physical activity, even in small amounts, can significantly enhance your quality of life, reduce symptoms, and boost your overall well-being. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are important to effectively manage acid reflux. Your doctor can help identify triggers and suggest medications or lifestyle changes tailored to your needs. It's crucial to have open discussions about your symptoms and any potential side effects of medications. Knowing when to seek immediate medical attention can also make a significant difference. Trust your healthcare team and work together to create a plan that supports your digestive health and enhances your well-being. Acid reflux can impact more than just your physical health. It can affect your mental well-being and social life. It's important to stay connected with loved ones and maintain a positive mindset. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like reading or gardening. Sharing experiences with peers who understand your challenges can also be uplifting. Remember, managing your mental health is just as essential as addressing physical symptoms. Stay optimistic, keep social connections alive, and nurture your emotional well-being. In summary, managing acid reflux in older adults involves understanding your body, recognizing symptoms, and adopting a healthier lifestyle. Key steps include making informed dietary choices, engaging in safe exercises, maintaining regular medical checkups, and nurturing your mental health. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your quality of life. Start with 1 or 2 achievable steps and gradually incorporate more into your routine. Empower yourself with knowledge and take control of your health journey today. You deserve to enjoy each day with comfort and confidence.